The Feit Electric Indoor and Outdoor Smart Plug Setup, Bluetooth mode, with the Feit Electric app. The smart plugs have sockets on the front, a power button, and an indicator light. The plug is compatible with any standard electric wall outlet. Start by plugging in your smart plug into the outlet. The indicator light must be blinking rapidly to start the connection process. If it is not blinking, press and hold the power button until it is. Next, make sure your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is on and open the Feit Electric app. From the app's homepage, tap Add Device or the plus sign at the top right. Tap Go to Add in the pop-up window, then select your device. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi network username and password and tap Next. The connection process will now begin. Be sure that the Wi-Fi network you're using is a 2.4 GHz network. If the connection fails, quit the app and repeat the previous steps. Wait for the confirmation screen. You are now ready to start using your smart plug. Tap Done. Tap the smart plug icon to turn it on and off. Or press and hold it for more features. To learn more about the app and smart plug features, visit feit.com for the latest information.